Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt something shift inside you? There's a reason we do that. Something in us knows that our daily worries, the deadlines, the arguments, the endless to-do lists, they're real, but they're not the whole picture. Today we're going to take a journey from right where you are now, all the way to the edge of the observable universe, and then, gently, we'll come back home. By the end, you might see things a little differently. You might feel smaller, and strangely, more at peace because of it. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position. Lying down works well for this one. Let your body settle into whatever surface is supporting you. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it go. Feel your body, the weight of it, your back against the surface beneath you, your arms, your legs, the gentle rhythm of your breathing. You are here, in this room, in this moment. This is your starting point. Now, in your mind's eye, let your awareness gently lift above your body, as if you could float upward just a few feet, looking down at yourself resting peacefully below. Slowly, you begin to rise through the ceiling, through the roof, and now you can see your building from above, the shape of it, the roof, the windows. You continue to rise, and now you can see the streets around you, other buildings, trees, perhaps cars moving slowly along the roads, your neighborhood spreading out below you like a map. Somewhere down there, your body rests peacefully, safe, waiting for your return. Rising higher now, your city comes into view, the pattern of streets and buildings, parks like patches of green, perhaps a river winding through. If it's night, lights glittering like scattered jewels. Higher still, the city becomes just one part of a larger landscape. Mountains in the distance perhaps, coastlines, other cities nearby. The shape of your region, your country, taking form below you. And now, something remarkable happens. As you continue to rise, you begin to see the curve of the earth, that gentle arc at the edge of your vision, the first sign that you're leaving the surface behind. The entire continent is visible now. And then, there it is, Earth, a beautiful blue sphere hanging in darkness, swirls of white cloud, the deep blue of oceans, green and brown land masses, home to everyone you've ever known, everyone who has ever lived. You continue outward. Earth grows smaller, the size of a basketball, a tennis ball, a marble. That precious blue marble, floating in infinite black. And now you notice the moon nearby, grey and cratered, our constant companion, orbiting silently. Earth and moon together, dancing through space as they have for billions of years. Travelling further, much further now, millions of miles. The sun comes into view, a brilliant point of light, the heart of our solar system. Around it, the planets trace their ancient paths. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, the rocky inner worlds. And beyond them, the giants. Jupiter with its swirling storms. Saturn, ringed in ice and rock. Uranus, Neptune, blue worlds in the outer dark. The distances here are almost impossible to grasp. Light itself takes hours to cross this space. Now you pass beyond even the furthest planets, into interstellar space. The sun becomes just another star, one among billions. And as you travel further still, thousands of light years, the shape of our galaxy reveals itself. The Milky Way, a vast spiral of light, hundreds of billions of stars, swirling slowly around a center we cannot see. A river of light stretching across the darkness. Somewhere in one of those spiral arms, there's a small yellow star, and around that star, a pale blue dot. That's where your body rests right now, breathing, waiting. Traveling even further, the Milky Way itself becomes small, and you see that it's not alone. Other galaxies float nearby. Andromeda, our nearest large neighbour. Dozens of smaller galaxies, our local group, drifting together through space. And beyond our local group, more clusters, more superclusters, galaxies beyond counting, billions upon billions of them, each one containing billions of stars, each star potentially warming worlds we will never see. And now, you approach the very edge of everything we can see. Beyond this point, light hasn't had time to reach us since the universe began. This is as far as vision goes, the edge of the observable universe. Here, at the edge of everything. Rest here for a moment. In the vastness, the silence, the stillness. From here, where is that problem you were worried about yesterday? That thing that felt so urgent? It exists, it's real, but it's also very, very small from here. And here's the remarkable thing. You are part of all this. The atoms in your body were forged in ancient stars. You are not separate from this universe. You are the universe, experiencing itself, briefly, miraculously. Take one more breath here, at the edge of everything. It's time to return home. Gently now, begin to return, moving back through the superclusters, past billions of galaxies, each one a universe of its own. Through the local group of galaxies, finding Andromeda, and there, our galaxy, the Milky Way, that familiar spiral of light. Drawing closer now, into the spiral arm where our sun lives. And there it is, that small yellow star, growing brighter as you approach. The outer planets pass by: Neptune, Uranus, Saturn with its rings, Jupiter, past Mars, and there, ahead, a blue dot growing larger. Earth, growing larger, more beautiful than you remembered. The blues deeper, the whites brighter. This remarkable planet that sustains so much life. The moon passes by, that faithful companion, and you continue toward Earth, toward home. Now entering the thin veil of atmosphere, that delicate layer of air that makes everything possible. Feel gratitude for this, for breathable air, for the exact conditions that allow you to exist. Your continent comes into view. Familiar shapes, coastlines you might recognize, mountains, rivers, the geography of home. Closer now, your country, your region, the familiar landscape of where you live. Your city appearing below, streets you've walked, buildings you know. If it's night, lights glowing warm. If it's day, life in motion. Your neighborhood now, Each building, each tree, becoming familiar. The streets you know, the paths you've taken. And there, your building, your home. This small place on a small planet in a vast, vast universe. And yet, somehow, precious. Somehow, exactly where you're meant to be. Descending through the roof, into your home, through the ceiling, back into the room where your body has been waiting. There you are, your body, still breathing, still here. After traveling billions of light years, here you are, home. Gently settle back into your body. Feel the weight of it again, the surface beneath you, the temperature of the air on your skin. Feel your breath, that same breath that's been with you throughout, in and out, the rhythm of being alive. You've been to the edge of everything, and you've returned. Carry this perspective with you, not to minimize your life, but to hold it more gently. Whenever things feel overwhelming, remember, you can return to this view anytime. The vastness is always there, and so is your place in it. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deeper breath. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Welcome back.